This is the new Elite PRO IP65 series laser fixtures from Unity. Engineered by Pangolin and Gavant. Designed for professional touring and permanent installation. Under the hood of the Elite PRO IP65 series is our most advanced laser engine yet. Fitted with a new unified laser module, optimized for applications where color accuracy is of paramount importance. Boasting a stunning white balance, rich color profile, low divergence output, and serious impact over long distances, with color mixing options available for both live and on-camera applications. The scanning engine of the Elite PRO IP65 has been upgraded as well, tuned to ensure wide-angle performance on both the X and Y axis, so a single fixture can cover substantially larger areas. The scanning engine has been further optimized so that you can design higher resolution effects across both atmospheric and graphical applications. All of this driven from a new low-draw power supply, so more fixtures can be powered off a single 20-amp circuit. The housing of the Elite PRO IP65 series has undergone a massive upgrade, taking into consideration the demands put on today's lighting professionals. It is more compact, lighter in weight, and offers enhanced safety features with our new 4-way masking plate. The robust enclosure is waterproof and independently tested for certification of its IP65 rating. All Elite PRO IP65 lasers include Pangolin's FB4 media server integrated directly within the fixture, offering easy control from your preferred lighting desk over DMX, ArtNET, sACN, and timecode. With a full color display, offering digital adjustment of geometric correction, safety settings, RGB color tuning, and more. The housings and back panel on all Elite PRO IP65 models have been standardized so you can pair various fixtures together for different show requirements. The back panel offers sealed locking connectors for power, data, and e-stop safety, so multiple units can be daisy-chained together easily, simplifying cabling setups. RGB color alignment of the internal laser engine can be calibrated externally, ensuring quick and easy realignment in any situation. The yoke on the Elite PRO IP65 series offers 360 degrees of rotation and convenient adjustments to secure it in any mounting position. Elite PRO IP65 fixtures come in a wide range of power outputs, giving you the flexibility to take on any size event, including 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, and 120 watt models. 10 watt systems are ideal for large indoor venues and smaller outdoor shows. 20 to 40 watt models are well suited for arenas and stadium-sized events. And 60 to 120 watt models are designed for the largest of venues, as well as outdoor cityscape projections. All Elite PRO IP65 lasers come with Pangolin's Quick Show Laser Design Suite included free, allowing you to render impactful content in a fast, easy, and efficient manner. Content can then be controlled from a lighting desk, MIDI device, PC, or in standalone auto operation. Elite PRO IP65 lasers also include the mobile laser app for handy control via your favorite iOS or Android device. Finally, Elite PRO IP65 lasers are compatible with the Beyond platform for clients looking to take on more advanced workflows, such as integrating lasers with video, moving lights, pyrotechnics, and other types of special effects. Elite PRO IP65 fixtures include your entire accessory lineup free with the purchase, including a tour-grade protective travel case with custom high-density foam inserts, all cabling, and your e-stop safety switch. Safety is a priority here at Unity. Elite PRO IP65 fixtures are compliant with all FDA and EN 60825-1 regulations. And for US clients, we provide free variance filing and annual report assistance with your purchase. We back our systems up with a full 2-year warranty, free training and support, along with a global rental and service network that you can harness, powered by the Pangolin and Gavant family. Elite PRO IP65 encompasses decades of laser engineering experience into a complete range of fixtures, helping you scale to the next level. Designed for impact, built to last, that's Unity.